Hello guys, welcome as we solve this problem. I read the question. So for x, we have log a half to base 4x minus log a half to base x all over 2 is equals to 3/4. And so guys, we now solve this problem. And so I can change all this into base x. And so I write the question into base x. Guys, I will begin with log a half. All this, guys, I want to change it into base x. And this one now comes to, so guys, I'm dealing with this term first. So this comes to log 1 a half to base x all over log 4x to base x. And so therefore, guys, expanding that, we shall have log 1 to base x minus, according to the laws of logarithm, this is now going to be log 2 to base x all over. This now comes to, this is the law of addition, which now gives us log 4 to base x plus log x to base x. So guys, that is the first step. And so the first term, guys, we shall have log 2 base 4 x over half. Guys, this one gives us log of 1 to base x. This one gives us 0. And then we are left with minus log of 2 to base x all over. Guys, we can write this in terms of, that is the factors of 4, that is 2 squared. And so this comes to 2 log 2 to base x plus, guys, this one gives us 1. So this is going to be now 1. Guys, we go ahead and now solve this, deal with this second term. And so for that, we are going to have log, we are going to leave this negative first and now evaluate this. So this is going to be log a half to base x over 2. And we still do the same the way we have done here. This gives us log a half to base x all over log x over 2 to base x. So guys, this comes to now log 1 to base x minus log 2 to base x all over. This now comes to log x to base x minus log 2 to base x. Guys, that's what we have, and therefore, guys, we shall have log, that is for this term, we shall have log over half to base x all over 2, now giving us, this one comes now to 0, and then we are left with minus log 2 to base x all over, this gives us 1, now minus log of 2 to base x. Guys, now we have these two terms. We have that term and also we have that term. Guys, now we go ahead and subtract this term from this according to our equation right here, and we get 3/4. And so therefore, guys, I'll do exactly that. And so therefore, guys, this is our first term. Then we subtract our second term, even as it is written right here, as you can see. The first term minus the second term. And this one, guys, gives us 3/4. Guys, we can say let log x, that is log 2 to base x, be equal to y. And then, guys, we can now replace by y. So this one comes to minus y all over 2y plus 1 minus, this now comes to plus because of this minus, and this one is y all over 1 minus y. This gives us now 3 all over 4. And so, guys, to save on time, I have already done the question, and here is what I have done. Guys, I have taken this one to begin with and then subtract this, and this is what I have done right here. When you subtract, I take this as the LCM, and then, guys, I'm able to evaluate that. And when I evaluate, I will get 2y squared plus y minus y plus y squared all over 1 minus y, and then 2y plus 1. This is equals to 3/4. Guys, this can cancel that and that, because this is plus and this is negative. And then we are left with 3y squared. Guys, I have also expanded this. By expanding that, guys, this is what I have gotten right here, 2y plus 1 minus 2y squared minus y. This gives us 3/4. And guys, for this, you will have 2y minus y. This one gives us y. Then we are left with minus 2y squared and then plus 1. And on the numerator, we have 3y squared. Guys, this gives us 3/4. We can now cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we get 12y squared due to 3y squared times 4. And then on this other side, we get 3y minus 6y squared plus 3. Guys, we can form a quadratic equation with that. And here is our quadratic equation. 18y squared minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. Guys, now solving that quadratic equation, I had to go to find the factors, and this is how I have found the factors. We have a number multiplied to get 54, that is 9 and 6, and to add to get 3, that is 9 and 6. And so therefore, guys, I have come out and factored, and these are the factors: 3y plus 1 and 6y minus 3. Using those factors, guys, I will get my solution as y equals to negative 1 over 3. On this other side, y equals to a half. From there, guys, we now go ahead and find x. So this is what we had replaced our x with, that is y, which is now was supposed to be log 2 to base x. And therefore, guys, using that, I was able now to convert this into indices. And when you convert that, you get 2 raised to, that is 2 equals to x raised to negative a third. For us to be able to get x here, we multiply by negative. We raise it to negative a third on this side and negative a third on this side. On this side, you shall now get x. On this side, you shall have 8. That is 8 raised to 2 raised to negative 3, which is the same as 1 over 8. Because when you take this one down, it will be 2 raised to 3. So, guys, you get 1 all over 8. On this other side, log 2 2 base x is equals to a half. So when you write it into indices form, you shall have 2 equals to x raised to a half. For to remove this square root, you raise it to 2 this side, and you also raise it to 2 on this side. So you get 4 now equals to x. And so guys, that is our solution. 1/8 and 4. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.